Lawyers wear wigs as part of a long-standing tradition that dates back to the 17th century in England. Here's why this custom began and what it symbolizes today. The use of wigs in British courts began in the late 1600s, when wearing wigs became fashionable among the British upper class. Lawyers and judges adopted wigs as a professional attire, following the trends set by King Charles II, who popularized wigs as a symbol of status and respectability. Wigs add a level of formality and respect to court proceedings, representing the dignity and authority of the judicial process. By wearing wigs, lawyers and judges could also create a sense of anonymity, focusing attention on the law and the case rather than on the individuals involved. Separation from personal identity. The wig distinguishes a lawyer's professional role from their personal identity, helping create an impartial image. It emphasizes that the lawyer is acting as an officer of the court rather than as a private individual, reinforcing the idea of impartiality and the rule of law. Continuity and respect for tradition. The wig is part of the heritage and traditions of common law. Lawyers in some countries, like the UK and former British colonies, continue to wear wigs in court as a mark of respect for these long-standing customs. In many countries, wigs are now optional or have been phased out entirely. However, they remain a distinctive aspect of court attire in certain British-influenced legal systems, symbolizing the continuity and solemnity of the legal profession. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational content.